Okay, so this is my first time using a new feature in Perplexity. It's called Pages. AI automation. So we're creating a page in Perplexity. It's bringing together information all related to AI automation. And I'm just watching it work. And it's moving on to the next section. What I understand is it will build a full report, and then I can edit or add to this. Now I want you to move specifically into generative AI automations that are no-code automations, using orchestration tools specifically. In this section, I want you to specifically describe 3 tools and their capabilities and their costs and what use cases they are best suited for. Period. The 3 tools are these: Respell, Zapier, and Mind Studio. Period. Stay in the same section, but make a subsection, and compare and contrast these tools using a table format. I want you to write a section on AI automation with generative AI tools for content creators. Period. I want you to mention specific applications like Opus Clip and Canva and CapCut. Period. Describe the features of those tools and any other related tools for content management. Period. The goal of this section is to give the initial information to help content creators ideate, produce, manage, and distribute their social media content marketing materials. I want you to add more information now for this section describing video content creation tools, including, Adobe Premiere, Descript, CapCut, and Canva, period. Compare and contrast their feature set in a table format. In this section, I want you to compare and contrast first in paragraph format and then in a table format the features and capabilities of content management systems that have AI tools embedded within them, period. These systems include, Notion, Airtable, Opus Clip, and others to be decided by you following the research that you do, period. Go, period. I want to now come back around to this idea of orchestration of the sequence of tasks or events when automating a workflow with generative AI tools, period. First, define what orchestration means in this context, period. Then, describe the major orchestration tools, period. Then create a table for me for the three applications I mentioned before. Parentheses, Zapier, Respell, Mind Studio. After giving the definition of orchestration in this context, and then briefly describing these three tools again, I want you to create a table indicating the tool in one column, the capabilities in the second column, a few use cases in a third column, and YouTube video tutorials that are highly rated in a fourth column, period. In this next section, I want to give 3 simple use cases with instructions. Period. Number 1, automate the reading of emails from Gmail and creating responses to those emails in ChatGPT. Period. 2, I want you to automate the creation of a content calendar from a prompt in ChatGPT to execution of the videos for that content calendar in Canva. Period. 3, I want you to take an input from Perplexity, specifically from a Pages document in Perplexity.ai that will provide the text to input into Gamma.app to create an 8-page presentation. Period. Great. Now I want you to write a conclusion page or paragraph for all of the above in this page. Okay, one last task. This is a bonus section. One last task, period. This is a bonus section and should be labeled bonus section. Describe how to use generative AI tools to create an avatar that will read a pre-written script based on a text entered into ChatGPT. Period. So, to be clear, the process should be text prompt in ChatGPT produces script. Period. Avatar is created in some generative AI tool. Give examples of those tools. Period. And then describe how that tool could bring the script to life from the text created in ChatGPT. Alrighty, that's it. We're done. We're going to go ahead and publish that page without any editorial and just run with it.